What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this Uplifting Trance Kick and Bass tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you through my full process in real time of creating a professional sounding trance kick and bass and explaining everything I do and why. If you're finding yourself listening to your kick and bass and wondering why the kick sounds weak, the mid bass isn't wide enough, your sub is too muddy or any other issues you may have, then be sure to check this out as I'll be going through everything from choosing the right sounding kick. I'll be showing you what sort of patterns and layers you can use to achieve that uplifting sound. I'll also be talking you through the process of how to achieve depth and space in your basses, as well as the types of effects and processing to achieve a nice balanced mix. We'll also be going through the process of parallel compression for a nice fat low end, as well as other powerful techniques and processes to overcome any issues that you may come up with when working on your kick and bass. All of this will be covered, plus much more, so be sure to grab your copy now at allanmorrowstudios.com and take your kick and bass to a professional level.